Are you having shoulder pain from this position for several hours a day from either gaming or a sedentary job at work? This is Dr. Levi, the Gamers and Esports Doctor. So often we will work at our desks in this position of comfort, either at our keyboard, at our gaming station, with controllers. It's so important that every half an hour you do, again, what I call a PC, a posture check, where you remind yourself every 30 minutes to correct your posture, to sit upright, to keep your shoulders squared, your neck relaxed, and to work at your desk with your wrists and hands in the same plane of motion when you're either gaming or typing, to not be hyper-flexed, to not be hyper-extended, everything in one plane of motion when you're working. But the posture check, number one, every 30 minutes, remind yourself to I need to sit upright. I need to bring my shoulders back. I need to not be in this position of comfort. It's so easy, even for myself, to sit like this. I'm always correcting my posture. I do it literally every 15 minutes. I literally have this clock in my head going off saying, hey, Levi, sit up straight, dude. Hey, Levi, wait a second, where's your back? So you don't want your back to be here. You don't want to be in this scoliotic, bent over, kyphotic position. You really want to be upright and straight, shoulder squared, head up. This will make things better for you overall, trust me. All right, this is Dr. Levi, the Gamers and Esports Doctor, helping you to get better posture, reminding you to do a PC. What is that? A posture check every 30 minutes, and to keep your spine and your shoulders in the right positions. This is Dr. Levi. I'll talk to you soon. Be sure to subscribe and like below, or check out some of our other videos. We like having you as a part of our community. See you soon. Bye.